Hello everyone, my name is Rebecca Harris and this is my Pecha Kucha presentation on leadership, and I decided to focus on envisioning the future. So our first step to envision the future, a leader should create and pursue an attainable, worthwhile goal for their team and their company, and being able to envision the future is one of the best things that a leader can do. In order to look forward, it is important for a leader to also look backward. Learning from past mistakes is essential to prevent them from happening again. A leader must acknowledge the past, correct mistakes, and look to the future so they can attain their goals. Now remember, there will always be problems to solve. What distinguishes a good leader from a bad leader is their perseverance to prevent the problem from becoming overwhelming. In order to become a true leader of your company or of your team, a leader must solve problems efficiently. A leader must also be mindful of others and their work environment. A leader is nothing without their team. A leader needs to know their team's respective strengths and weaknesses. How can somebody be useful in one area and another person utilize their talents in another? Whenever a leader can utilize the assets of their team, they can prepare for future assignments ahead of them. Be willing to change. Stay humble. Remember, one of a leader's best qualities is being able to be humble. In order to be humble, you can see how your team's strengths are and how they can improve and create a better goal. Leaders need to adapt to their team's needs while they simultaneously strive for perfection. Think, read, and talk about your long-term goals. It's impossible to look to the future without having goals in mind. Talk to your team about your long-term goals. Include your team members on where you want to go. These actions will assist you as a leader in making your long-term goals a reality. And finally, show your passion. Don't be afraid to go out there, to be vulnerable, to enjoy what you're doing. A good leader not only looks to the future, but looks forward to the future. Thank you very much for listening.